Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel and another video on the Corolla. We are putting these, which are hella horns, into the Corolla because I haven't had horns in this car for about a year and a half at this point. And I finally decided, you know what? We're gonna just upgrade to hella horns. You're just gonna put some loud horns in here and see how it works. These are Hella's sharp tone horns. These don't come in silver. I painted the bracket silver myself just to match the rest of the car. These are normally yellow, so I felt like it didn't really match if it was just yellow back there. So silver is going to blend in a lot more, look a lot cleaner. I've already created a wiring harness for the horns. So this is my ground harness, which plugs into each of the horns and then goes here. And then my power harness comes from the stock wiring system and then goes up into the horns. So these horns I'm gonna bolt up right here to the hood latch. It will push the latch out, you know, the thickness of the horn, so about a millimeter, 2 millimeters. Shouldn't be that big of a deal though. So with that, let's just put these puppies in. I actually just realized that I said that these horns are going to push the latch out. The horns are going on top of the latch, so the latch actually isn't going to move anywhere. It's just the horns are just going to take up a bit more space here. That's what I meant. Looking at the back, this is going to be negative and this is going to be positive. So I have this little blue connector for negative, red here for positive. Okay, now let's see if they work. I got working horns again. Let's go. Now that is it for the Hella Horns install. It is not the end of the video though. So almost a month ago, I put in a monkey wrench fuel rail kit and I was going to include that install in another video that I was going to do before. Didn't happen, so here it is. So here we have a monkey wrench fuel rail kit. Yeah, that's pretty much what we're installing today. I don't know what else to really say here. It's a fuel rail kit. We got the actual fuel rail here, lines, some adapters, and the screws to hold them in. So there's not really too much here that we're working with. It should take about 10 minutes to install. And it's just going to replace the old fuel line right here. So this should be a pretty quick and easy install. So I think with that out of the way, let's just go ahead and get it done. Four's leaking, three's leaking. 1 and 2 are okay, 3 and 4 are leaking. And now that the install is over, I never really showed a close look at what the fuel rail looks like. So here it is. These two bolts are the, I believe, 70 millimeter, slightly shorter bolts that come with the kit. There's 4 bolts that come with it. The longer ones are for the 2ZZ, the shorter ones are for the 1ZZ. I also did a little bit of cable management and tucked the wires behind the fuel rail. This one is a little sketch. I'll probably reroute this one at some point to go under here like this, but that's besides the point. And then this super nice braided line comes around and then plugs in to the factory line right there. And then as for the hella horns, they're just here. I might make some changes to the wiring to make it a little bit cleaner, because right now the wires are a bit clustered. So I might do something there to make those a little bit cleaner. But besides that, the horns look pretty good in there. You can't really see them that well behind the grill, but you can kind of see them if you look close enough. So that is going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed, go ahead, leave a like, comment below, subscribe to the channel if you are new. I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.